Hey, welcome to Southern Gunpla. I'm going to be using this Master Grade RGM 79 ground GM to show you a quick, easy way to panel line if you're not big into painting or have any Tamiya panel line accent color. We're going to use this Pigma Micron 005 pen to get in there and apply some really fine panel lines on just a quick, Saturday afternoon build that you don't really feel like painting all the way and applying short enough panel line washes. Just a quick, easy way to make a kit look really good just for shelf display, that kind of thing. I found this pen at Hobby Lobby, and it came with a couple others that can be used for different applications, but the 005 really works well for panel lining. So for cleanup, we use these sharp tip hobby Q-tips plus a little bit of lacquer thinner just to go on and get it off of there. So we'll dip it, brush off your excess, and then just quick, easy strokes. Then, if you need to reapply, just go back with a light coat with the 005 pen, and there you go. So consider hitting that like, subscribe button if y'all enjoy what you're seeing and want to see more Gunpla tips. Thanks.